Hello, how you doing? Today we're making some fried rice. I'm going to be using crab sticks or seafood sticks. It's a kind of nice budget rice dish. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got about 5 cups here of cooked rice. This is basmati rice and it was cooked yesterday. Old rice always fries a little bit, nicer than fresh, hot or warm rice. Here's our fish sticks or seafood sticks, whatever you call them. There's just over 2 cups. 1 cup of carrot, 1 cup of bell pepper, 1 cup of onion. Little bit of oyster sauce there, little bit of soy. I'm using the light soy, so like a tablespoon of that and 2 tablespoons of the oyster sauce. Little bit of cilantro or coriander, and then about a tablespoon each of ginger and garlic. Very simple. So you are going to need a skillet or a wok type thing that I have here. I've got some oil in there. I've got about 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a corn oil, but you could be changing that oil to whatever suits you. I've just put the heat on. We're going to go high heat pretty much all the way. Let's get our ginger, our garlic, the onion, and I'm using some carrots today, and I'm going to get them in now so they can cook nicely. Cut nice and small, so a cup, tablespoon, tablespoon. We're going to go for 4 minutes. Fabulous. Next up, we're going to add our bell pepper. Again, these are all optional, the vegetables, but adds a nice bit of colour in there. We're going to add our crab sticks or fish sticks, whatever you want to call them. We're going to go with some black pepper, a couple of nice pinches, a little bit of salt, not too much salt because we're going to be adding the soy and the oyster sauce, which is also salty. And again, we're going to go for another 4 minutes. Great stuff. Let's get that little bit of soy in. Soy sauce, like a tablespoon, and a couple of tablespoons of oyster sauce. If you wanted, you could be adding a bit of fish sauce in here, or maybe some fresh chili if you wanted that. Let's just give this a little mix through. Then we're going to go for our cooked rice. Like I say, cold cooked rice. This rice was cooked yesterday. I'm using basmati. 4 to 5 minutes once more on this high heat. Pretty much done, isn't it? Delicious. And off goes the heat. Little bit of cilantro or coriander in there if you want, or maybe some green onions. Little mix, job done. Super, super easy. And there you have it. Very, very simple crab stick or seafood sticks, whatever you call them, fried rice. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.